Hi everybody, today is upgraded car is the old Buick Lacrosse. First, we use the tool to pry its outer frame loose. Remove the plug on the back of the outer frame after removing it. Okay, then we loosen these 4 screws and remove the original car screen. Also pull out the plug on its back. Now start unscrewing the screws and removing the air conditioning button panel on the outer frame. Here we will also remove the 2 original car outlets. Okay, to install the dismantled air outlet and air conditioning button panel on our new car radio. Now start to connect the wire. This is the 4th generation antenna. This is the GPS antenna. This is the video input line. This is a USB transmission line, a total of 2. This is the RCA audio line. Now connect the canvas box. Connect the communication serial port. Connect screen power. Connect the original car power plug. Connect the original car radio plug. Here connect the original car double flash plug. Then connect the original car air conditioning key plug. After all the connection is completed, the outer frame is installed and completed. Now it has been successfully installed. Need to learn the steering wheel button before use, so that it can be more convenient to operate the car radio. Support local music or other software online music. Supports automatic search of local radio stations. Support local video or other software online video. Support local maps or other software online maps. Support Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless CarPlay Android Auto. You can use voice assistants here, make calls, listen to songs, use online maps and other functions on your mobile phone. This video is here. Thank you for watching.